Listen up, guys. If you guys are a resident of the city of Chicago or the state of Illinois and you guys have been a victim of a serious violent crime, carjacking, been shot at or shot, home invasions, robbery, anything that has happened to you within the city of Chicago or the state of Illinois, I would highly advise at this point to get an attorney and file a lawsuit against the city of Chicago and the state of Illinois for gross negligence. And let me explain why I say that. J.B. Pritzker and Brandon Johnson has consistently got on social media and news and said that there's no crime in the city of Chicago. There's no crime in Illinois. Crime is way down. There's no issue. There's no problem. They have turned down offers from President Donald Trump to come in to the city and into the state and get these gangbangers out of here and start locking people's asses up that keep robbing and stealing and raping and doing all these other heinous acts that they're doing here in the city of Chicago. And for that very reason, that's considered gross negligence. They are refusing to address the issue, even though they know there's an issue here in the city of Chicago, but they're refusing to address the issue. And I think what will happen is, and I'm no legal expert, I'm no attorney, I'm no paralegal, I've never done a day of law school. I just know, what I've read. The same as Charlie Kirk, he was none of those things, but he was very educated because he read. Reading is fundamental. A lot of you guys should probably do it. But with that being said, gross negligence in the eye of the law is when somebody knows that there's an issue and does absolutely nothing to prevent the problem. In this case, and there's a lot of more definition to it. You guys can look it up and read it. But I think that what will happen is if a lot of citizens in the city of Chicago and the state of Illinois start filing lawsuits against the city and the state for gross negligence, I think it's going to be an eye-opener, and the state of Illinois and the city of Chicago is going to have to be forced to do something. They're going to have to be forced to do something. And if they don't, then it's just more evidence for the case of gross negligence. So if you guys have been a victim of a serious crime in the city of Chicago or the state of Illinois, get an attorney, file a lawsuit, and let's fucking make Illinois great again.